a difference between will and shall. Okay. Will, the word will is used to represent the future action. Okay. It's used for about prediction, promises, and offer. Okay. And shall, in this case, we use with a first person. Okay, in this case we use only with the first person, for I and we. And to talk about, that is for the future. Okay, that is for shall, talk about the future. Shall is used when we offering a suggestion something. Okay, and to indicate that something is sure to happen or must take a place. Okay, shall, the word can be reduced in a place of the word will. If you're talking about the future plan, events, and expectation with a first person, okay? The use number one, that is talk about the future, about your plans, okay? For example, if I say about this picture, I shall never forgive you, okay? That is a future plan. The other example that is we use for we shall be celebrating our 50th anniversary next year. Okay, that is to talk about this picture. That is a future plan. Okay, in this case we use only for shall, for I, that is for I, and that is for we. Okay, we don't forget this part. For the next part, that is we use to ask or give a suggestion, okay? For example, in this case, that is for a sentence, a question, okay? Sorry, that is in this case, shall we start dinner? That is for a suggestion according for these people, okay? The next use, that is for indicate that something is sure to happen or must make a place. In this case, for that is for some situation, okay? For example, in this case, that is for don't worry, we shall bring the doll for you, okay? And the number 4, that is for the offering something, okay? When you offer something, that is for, in this case, set a question, that is, shall I get some coffee? That is for according for this picture, okay? For the next, that is, shall I close the windows? That is to offer you something, okay? That is for in a question, we will use I, okay? And the sentences or a question, we use we or we use I, okay? And the next that is we have, that is for will. In this case, that is for will. We use for all these subjects. For all the subjects, we use will. For example, if I say, will you give one eraser, or my sister will go to the supermarket tomorrow? And we shall, we use only for the first person, for I and for we, okay? That is, for example, shall I close the door? Or that is a question, this is a question, and this is for a sentence. We shall meet the client after lunch. This is when we use shall, okay? This is some exercise. For example, in number 1, if I say, shall I, in this case, that is for I, carry this bag for you? The number 2, that is for he, will be talking all the time without you doing anything. The machine, we use for will. Work well without you giving you any trouble. Number 4, that is we use shall, Okay, shall, this is for, with use, that is for I. Put heading on, okay? And number 5, that is with use, will you come with me, okay? What is the homework? The homework for the activity 1, you fill the blank using for shall or will. According to the subject, we write shall or will, okay? According to the subject. Complete for this sentence. Activity 2. In this activity 2, you put the correct order, write the words, the correct order to make a sentence or a question. Va a escribir en el orden correcto la oración in this case or the question, okay? What is the correct order, okay? And the number 3, you resolve this link for live worksheet, okay? That's all, and see you the next class. Bye bye.